Around Igbo Estate, opposite Igbo. This is police housing estate. Police housing estate around Igbo. As you can see, this is Igbo. Very good place to buy and build. You can buy now, build immediately, and even live immediately. At a very good location, as you can see. Igbo Estate. As you can see, Igbo Estate. So you can see Igbo Estate. So you can see Igbo Estate. So you can see Igbo Estate. This is Smith City Estate. As you can see, this is person's house. This is person's house at Smith City Estate. At Smith City Estate. Smith City Estate. This is Igbo, Mega City. This is Igbo, Mega City. This is the Tide Road. And this is the National Housing Estate. This, as you can see, this is the road leading to Civil Servant Estate. Civil Servant Estate. And this is CBN. This is CBN Estate. This is CBN Estate Phase 2. CBN Estate Phase 2. This is CBN Estate. So you can see, I'm driving towards to the junction leading to Igbo and the Amen. This is House of Assembly Quarters. A very good location, very good land. So you can see, this is where the House of Assembly Quarters ends. This is the bridge. You drive down to CBN Phase 1. CBN Estate Phase 1, as you can see. This is CBN Estate Phase 1. This is CBN Estate Phase 1. This is CBN Estate Phase 1. CBN Estate Phase 1. CBN Estate Phase 1, as you can see. As you can see, this is CBN Estate Phase 1. All these estates are close to Igbo. This is Igbo Junction. So, it's a very good location, a very good land. This is Igbo Junction. This is Junction. This road leads to Igbo. This one leads to Igbo. This one leads to Oka. This one leads to Isiagu to Igbo. Just a minute drive, you get Igbo.